How to apply Instagram filters on gallery photos. Today, we will be looking at easy ways to apply Instagram filters on the photos from our gallery. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, to begin with, let's choose a picture from our gallery and now swipe right to apply default Instagram filters on our photo. This is a method to apply filters on our gallery photo, and now you can save the picture. Now for second method, you will choose the photo and click on 3 stars beside the music option and choose any one of the filters from there. These are the filters which are saved as favorite. Now let me tell you how can you save a filter as favorite. Here I will take an example of Orange Beauty and click on the side square option, and now that filter is saved as favorite filter on your Instagram. Again, go on the picture where you want to apply the filter and choose on the filter you have just saved as favorite. And that's it. That is how easily you can apply filters on your gallery picture. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.